Assignments. Use the Assignments option to assign the following to each account: types of checks or documents you will print, the document definition and format, copies to be printed when the checks or documents are printed, users who can print checks or documents, if you will use this account to produce electronic payments. To make assignments to an account, click the Assignments menu tab or select Assignments from the Edit menu. This window contains a tab for each type of document. Click a tab and select the account or accounts to which you want to make assignments. For example, click the Accounts Payable tab to make assignments to all accounts on which you want to print accounts payable checks. All of the accounts you created using the Accounts option are listed in the Select Account box. Begin by clicking on an account that you want to use for the document type, since you must assign each account separately. You can assign the same account to more than one document type. If you do not want to use an account for a document type, do not make any assignments to that account in that tab. From the drop-down list, select a document definition for the selected account. Document definitions define the layout of the checks or documents. Select a format for the checks or documents from the drop-down list. This is the format of the check or document that should match the blank paper stock on which it will be printed. Click the number of signature lines to be printed on the checks or documents for the selected account. Enter a brief description of the type of checks or documents that will be printed. This text is displayed when you print the original checks or documents. Enter a description of the paper stock to be loaded to print the original checks or documents. This is included in the prompt that is displayed when a check or document is printed to instruct the user which paper stock to load. The copy descriptions that you created using the copies options are listed. If you want to print a copy or copies of each check or document, enter the number of copies you want printed in the quantity field of the applicable copy description. Enter 0 for a copy description if you do not want any copies of that type printed. To assign or edit users to the account, click Edit Assigned Users. Only those users you assign to an account can print checks or documents on that account. This includes users with supervisory privileges. All Create a Check users are listed in the Available Users box. Any users you have already assigned to the account are listed in the Assigned Users box. Use the appropriate arrow to assign or unassign users to an account. Click the Generate ACH Payments option if you use this account to generate electronic payments. When you have finished making assignments to all accounts for all document types, click OK or Apply to save your entries. Complete the same steps for each of the tabs or types of checks and documents that you want to print.